I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Need to take it off, put some boiled linseed oil on it so it doesn't get stained up. I can see fingerprints on it already. And then this project will be done. The workbench arrangement is finally coming around to the point where it's going to be useful. I just have to put some boiled linseed oil on it and it'll be good. I really like the way this brings out the look of the wood. By putting it on with a rag, I don't have to worry about brush strokes or anything else. For one thing, boiled linseed oil is the way I put it on is thin, and it doesn't leave brush strokes just because it doesn't leave any marks at all. It's self-flattening. And by having rubber gloves on, I can just take the rag and just kind of slather it on all over the place. Makes it real easy. Does a good job, penetrates well. Leaves this pine in kind of a honey gold color. Which is a favorite with me. Now because it's thin, I do have to quite often put on more than one coat. Just love the way it looks. And I just dropped the rag back into the bottle, so I don't have to worry about the rag drying out and oxidizing and setting the thing on fire. I think it's going to need about 2 more coats, but that won't take long. Give it a half hour to dry, come back, give it another shot, then come back and give it another shot after half an hour again. And the vise will be done. Now, I could paint this, but I don't think I'm going to. It came out of an antique shop, so it's been varnished. It's going to look old. It's got the steel showing on it through the varnish, but this has got to go. I don't like this bar in it at all. It's rough on your hands, and it just doesn't look right. So I'm going to get a piece of doweling and make a new handle for it. Probably turn a couple of knobs for it on the lathe. And that'll be all done. We've reached another stopping point. If you have any questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments below. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.